Tommy, talk to Mia.
Oh.
Mia. Oh. Yeah? Talk to Mia. Yeah. Mia, pay attention. Oh, he's trying to get her. Tommy, get her.
Oh, she's looking down.
Mia. She's looking at you, Tommy. Tell her you love her. Mia. Tommy, what do you have to say? Tommy, do you love Mia? Tommy. Yeah. You're frustrated.
Look at me. Look at she's looking at him.
Mia, what do you have to say? Yeah, you don't like him. Tommy. I'm sorry.